Hello friends, this video is in English and this video is also available in Hindi. Link is in the description. Now let's start. So today we will make one more project. This is also a basic project. In this project, I will show you how we can control multiple LEDs just by using one push button. So let's start our video. Let's see circuit diagram, programming and simulation one by one. Let's go. So here is our circuit. This is a very simple circuit. Here I used 4 LEDs. All the negative legs of LEDs are connected with 100 ohms resistor, and another leg of resistor are connected to GND pin of Arduino, and the positive legs of LEDs are connected to pin 2, 3, 4 and 5 respectively. Now one push button is connected to pin 6 of Arduino and other end of push button is connected to ground. So now let's move to programming. So this is our code. In first line I initialized y variable as global variable of integer type. Then in setup, first I initialized serial monitor at 9600 baud rate. Then I initialized pin 2, 3, 4 and 5 as output, as we will connect our LEDs to these pins. Then pin 6 is initialized as input. Here I am using built-in pull-up registers of Arduino, as we will connect push button to pin 6. Now in loop, first I am taking the reading of push button in variable x. Then I used a if condition which executes when push button is pressed. Inside this if condition I am incrementing y's value, and now y is a global variable, so it will hold the value globally, and then delay of 200 milliseconds to keep this process smooth. Actually here I am counting that how many times button is pressed and y is storing this value. Now I am printing the value of y here so that I can see its value in serial monitor. After that I have used if and else if conditions to turn on LEDs at every count and turn off rest LEDs. Now here you can see that when y is 1, pin 2 is high and rest pins are low. Similarly, when y is 2, pin 3 is high. When y is 3, pin 4 is high. When y is 4, pin 5 is high. Now when y is 5, we will make y equal to 0. Here we will make y equal to 0 and all pins are low. That means we can count from 0 to 5 and then it will again start from 0 and count till 5. So this is my code, and link for circuit diagram and code is in description. So now let's start our simulation. So here is our circuit and code, and this is serial monitor, and we are printing value of y in serial monitor. Now I will press start simulation. So you can see that initially the value of y is 0, and when I will press this button, you can see that value of y is 1 and our first LED is on. Now again I will press this button and now y value is 2 and second LED is on. Similarly y is 3 and third LED is on. Y is 4 and fourth LED is on. Now when I press it again, you can see that our value of y become 5 for a very short time, as we updated the value of y as 0 and y is again 0. You can see that now we can control this 4 LEDs by using one push button. Hence this project is completed. We successfully controlled multiple LEDs using one push button. Right now I am using only 4 LEDs, but you can use more than 4 LEDs. So time to end this video. If you enjoyed, please give a like to this content and subscribe this channel for more such projects and explanations. Signing out.